Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Advanced Info. So today I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps or GPS without data. So before hopping on to our video, make sure you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon beside it so you will be notified about my interesting videos and you will have the chance to watch it in the first. So let's go to our video. Open Google Maps from your Android phone, and this is the default map available in Android phones. It is a default map. So let's go, and for some phones you can see three dots in the top left, but some phones you see a profile pic of your mail ID in the top right. So if you are having the three dots, you can press the three dots and you will see the same page opening. So let's open the top right mail ID profile pic, and you will be seeing like this. And you see the last four offline maps. Press that option, and you will be seeing like this. Select your own map. There's no option, so you have to press that option itself. So press it. Then you will be seeing like this, because it will be like this because you can't download the whole world. You can only download a small part of the map. So you can download the whole world by downloading multiple maps, but it will take a lot of time. So you can download however you want. So I'll download over here. Download. It will take some time to download. Okay, now my time is 12:18. Let's see how much time does it take to download. See, now it's 12:22. Means it took 4 minutes to download. And the map is downloaded. Let's give it a try. Okay, back. Okay, now we downloaded this part of the map. So let's see. Satellite works, terrain works, transport, traffic, everything works, but we'll use default. Let's off the Wi-Fi now. The mobile is already off. Now off the Wi-Fi. I off the Wi-Fi, and we should on the location. Location should be on, and it's like this. I off the mobile data and the Wi-Fi. Let's go back, and I will long press a place so I can show you one example. I'll long press over here. Okay, and I'll press start. See guys, it works. It works. It will work 100%. The voice is the same, everything is the same. Just the problem is you have to download. Okay, so guys, make sure you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon beside it. Thank you.